In the world of academic research, there's a fascinating yet troubling landscape that we need to explore. Did you know that only about 30% of research papers are ever read in their entirety? That's right. A staggering number of studies end up gathering dust on library shelves, while the rest are often skimmed through, leaving their valuable insights overlooked. Now, let's talk about citation rates. The average research paper gets cited only about 5 to 10 times. This raises the question, are we truly proud of the paper that goes into these studies? The replication crisis in science adds another level of complexity. Many experiments fail to replicate, which means that a significant portion of published research might not as we know. This crisis has sparked debates about the integrity of the scientific methods, the pressure researchers face to produce groundbreaking results, securing a PhD can be a daunting task, especially when struggling with in the competition styles, search topics, and perspectives. Speaking of first studies often take that get their work published. They are less likely to be cited than their needs, which want. This part not only affects thinking, but also school behavior and state of research. Let's start and let's not forget about academic politics. The details of institutional power dynamics can shape what gets published and what doesn't. Researchers may find themselves navigating a minefield of favoritism and gatekeeping, where the quality of research takes a back seat to personal connections and institutional prestige. This can lead to a homogenization of ideals, stifling innovation and critical discourse. As we delve deeper into these statistics, it becomes clear that the academic world is not just about knowledge creation. It's also about the systems that govern how that knowledge is shared and valued. The challenges are immense, but understanding them is the first step toward fostering a more equitable and effective research environment. It's time to rethink how we approach academic publishing and ensure that every voice, regardless of gender or background, has the opportunity to contribute to the ever evolving tapestry of knowledge.